Let's quickly do a walkthrough of what StackBar is. StackBar is basically an announcement and free shipping banner that you can use. So as you can see, you can choose either or you could do both. The installation is very simple and straightforward. It is a free service. You don't need to pay anything for this app. You just go install it. Once you do the installation, you will go on to this. It'll ask you for permission. It only takes store details, nothing more. Once you install it, see the dashboard. All you have to do is enable it in the theme editor. Go into your theme and then by default it'll be enabled. All you have to make sure is you save this if you haven't already. You can go and set up the announcement bar or free shipping. I can just turn on the free shipping from here itself. My store, before I turned it on, I'm going to refresh it. Shipping bar shows up. If I go to the catalog and I buy some of the products, let's say I add to the cart, it's $24. I do that, it tells me 25.05 is still away. Then I add one more time, then it'll tell me 10 cents is away for free shipping. Then finally, if I meet that requirement, it gives me a congratulatory message. Shipping is free. And you don't need to customize anything from there, but you can go to free shipping bar out here and you can actually do the messaging that you want. For the free shipping, always use threshold, which is the max amount for free shipping if it is available on your account. How much amount left? And again, you can change the color, you can do placement, bottom page, top of the page, all devices, basically desktop, mobile, show on all pages, for start date, end date and time, change the background color, match your theme, font, basically customize it the way you like to be. You can also add gradients and solid color the way you like it. Similarly, we also have an announcement bar that you can turn on. Show the bar in your store, simple, save it. If I refresh this page, now the announcement bar also shows up. Welcome to our store. Go back to your, you can change the color, whatever you want. So background color, let's say I want to make it green, refresh it and the color green comes up. Similarly, you don't have to always have it at the top. You can actually move the position to the bottom and you can also add a link in here. So for example, this is my website, Stackable. It is another Shopify app. I'm going to change the announcement. I call it checkout Stackable discount app and I keep the use Stackable URL here. I said here, another message, still haven't clicked the link. Check out Stackable discount app. It lets you stack discounts and basically gives you everything. Now in this case, I don't want to open it in a new tab, but in this case, I want to open it in a new tab. I'm going to save it. And once the save is done, I'll go here. First URL, if I open, it'll open in the same browser. You can see the tab. Now let's see the second link when it comes up. Click this, it opens a new tab. So you can decide how you want the announcement banner to work.